Ngebak. Kita ini aja ya. Halo adik-adik.
Have a seat, sip some tea, and enjoy the show, my friend.
Tes. Cek. 1, 2, 3. Harusnya aman ya. Nah, kali ini kita ke epic. Aduh, salah ngomong lagi. Apakah bakal ke epic, guys? Maksudnya ke legend. Welcome buat semua yang nonton live ataupun replay adik-adik. Nah, sekarang gue gedein inian ya, resolusinya ya. 1080 nih bisa nih. Sabar, kita gacha dadu. Udah kan, ini pasti gede kan suaranya ya, gedein dikit dah. Apalagi nih lempar pisau. Cepatkan bayar. Cepatkan bayar. Game. Oh, kalau game tuh harus dimainin ya. Tadi gue skip banyak dong ya. Ih, pas di go. Mantap koyur. Berapa nih? 6. Lanjut. 4. Lah udah max ya. Ya 100 doang bro. 5. Habis. Dah saatnya kita ngepush. Kita XP dah. Rom nih kita rom. Mid itu bro. Gue XP gak sih bro? Ya udah biarin dia XP. XP mid. Halo bang, halo KBMRS. Kita link kali ya?
It's not every game you see such a handsome dragon tamer like me.
Waduh, Zax ya guys. Kufra kali ya? Atau Florin ya? Kufra aja. Kufra. Oh dia pakai healing dia. Freya. Oke bentar ya, matiin lagu dulu ya. Let's go. Di sini kita ada Minx, ada NTB Is, ada NTB Sports, ada TGA, ada Dewa, ya lo Dewa. Ada Aira, ada Tegel, ada Cindy, ada Kak Cindy, ada Septia, cewek semua kan ini musuhnya. Cindy, Septia, Aira, ada Run. Let's go. Ini cara ngilangin ini gimana ya? Takutnya kalau gua hapus live-nya berhenti nanti. Terus sampai flicker dia. Ya mati bro. Hildanya menang loh. Ini bro, siapa? TGA. Nah gitu dong. Flicker dia, kambing udah cukup. Kirinya mana cuy? Aman ya, mandiri ya. Siapa namanya? Melisa. Aing ke atas bro. Gila cepat banget ultinya. Hah? Perasaan baru ulti dah. Ini early yang sangat-sangat baik ya. Atasnya bisa nahan gak sih bro? Please Hilda, please Hilda. Awas bro. Please Hilda, please. Karat ya. Atas menang please. Jadi gue nggak harus ke atas. Nggak dapet asis ya, biarin dah. Daripada disampah sama gue kan. Mas bro. Nice, kena banyak guys. Kelas Melisa ngapain ulti bro? Kok dia dapat turtle-nya dia? Gelo linknya. Terus gue TB. Aduh, nggak mati dia. Syarat betul ya. Sini cuek, nggak pernah ke bawah ya. Kita ke atas gantian dah. Gue belum jadi inian sih, percuma gak sih? Belum jadi apa? Domi. Mana Zaxnya, mati dia. Oh, mati ya. Wih, kelas sudah. Ini sih kalau sampai kalah sih nggak tahu ya gua. Ya ampun, kena 2 tuh strike leku. Buset kelas Melisa. Mas bro, santai, jangan blunder. Balik. Buset, pada barbar bet teman-teman gue ini. Hei. Aduh, mati gua. Pagiku cerahku, kali ini ke legend. Nice. Double kill, triple kill. Aduh. Balik gak sih bro? Respect lah. Aduh, kambing. Gelo kelas. Kagak mati, bro. En. Kelas. Buset, itu linknya lagi terbang itu. Oh, delay ya, delay guys. Antara gua main sama live-nya delay ternyata. Yuk, 2 bintang lagi ya, legend. Eh. Yang mau komen album, mau mabar ya kan, boleh guys ya kan, bayar seikhlasnya guys. Kalau nggak punya duit juga nggak apa-apa guys, tinggal komen aja ya kan, atau add aja. Baru 20 menit. Gue main mid dah. XP gak sih gue? Bro, gue XP gak sih bro?
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero.
Please ban a hero. Enemy is picking. Kita cici.
Hope will find a way. Your team
Kita
even when all is
cici.
forlorn.
Kita cici.
Let's hear from the crowd. Make some noise for yours truly.
CBC guys, cuma bisa cici.
I am the moonlight that
I am
breaks through the
moonlight.
darkness.
I'm a moonlight.
Dragonborn is back.
Your team is picking.
Love and hope
I'm a
are the
moonlight.
two greatest inventions.
Come on, Dexter.
Come on,
It's our
Dexter.
showtime.
Enemy is picking.
Fight! Fight for the ultimate answer.
Even the strongest of currents
Your
fail to
team
claim
is
me.
picking.
Let me tell you some basics of science.
Bani ini ya. Oh iya, Bani dia. Pokoknya hari ini harus legend biar bisa ganti thumbnail. ada Ko, ada Zero, ada kebebasan 60, ada Cukameka. Mari kita mulai. Harusnya bisa ya lawan Jack 7109 ya, karena angka-angka guys. Seperti live streaming sebelumnya kan, angka-angka itu langsung gue ban guys. Apalah itu guys.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Ya kita magic semua ya.
Yo-yo, ready to set the stage on fire.
Kalah guys, Zilong-Zilong ini guys.
Every day is a chance to be the hero of your own story. It's not a perfect stage unless it's bursting with lights and colors.
Ya elah, dia langsung ngeluarin inspire bro. Kita pancing
Don't
guys.
interrupt my show.
Biarin, kita nggak usah ngambil killnya ya.
Gather at the turtle. Understood. An enemy has been slain.
Spin, yo-yo, spin!
Ult is not ready. Launch attack. Okay. Ult is not ready.
It's show isn't over yet!
Slain the turtle. You have slain an enemy.
Terus dong.
Thanks for coming.
Double kill.
You are not invited.
Udah cukup.
Spin, yo-yo, spin! Get him, yo-yo!
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Ult is not ready.
Ready for my showstopper? Stop being a party pooper! Up and over!
Killing spree.
Spin, yo-yo,
Enemy
spin!
has been slain.
Langsung aja Domi.
Today's forecast? Sunny, of course.
Karena ada Mia juga ya, Domi aja bagus di sini.
Lights, camera, action!
Kamera, roll, action.
The show isn't over yet. Ready for my showstopper?
An enemy has been slain. Mega kill.
Terlalu maksa tuh Jilong.
Spin, yo-yo, spin!
Nampaknya nih early game kita dapat lagi ya.
Request backup.
Ngapain tuh dia?
Being ready for my showstopper? Relax, you're a part of my show.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sabar, dia jalanin nggak nih lane-nya dia?
Ally has been
Please Jilong, jalanin lane yuk.
Great stage prop. Come join the fun.
Nah, ini dia mati dia, guys.
Show isn't over yet.
Ah, buset, lari kenceng banget dia.
Happiness is the warmth of a smile and the sparkle in
Oh,
your
berarti kita ngiketnya terakhir ya. Pas dia udah lari baru kita ikat dia.
Don't interrupt my show.
Di sini dia nih. Hup.
mega kill.
Spin, yo-yo, spin. Ready for my showstopper?
Unstoppable.
Spin, yo-yo, spin.
Monster kill.
Apalah Jilong.
Attack the turtle. Okay.
Lights, camera, action. Up and over. Huh. Show isn't over yet.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has slain the turtle.
Kejar, kejar, kejar. Set, 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 gocek. Set, set. Dapat dia. Nice. Kita gocek dikit.
Terry.
Relax, you're part of my show.
Sabar, gue jalanin bawah dulu nih.
Godlike.
Spin, yo-yo, spin.
Keep an eye on that. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Ready for my showstopper?
Our turret is under attack.
Jilong ini apalah? Semoga dia nggak recall ya.
Launch attack.
Nggak recall ya bener.
Show isn't over yet.
Dikacauin sama Jilong, guys.
Don't worry. Just be happy.
Gather up the Lord.
Cece and Yo-Yo, the unstoppable
Wah,
duo,
Mianya
here to
offset,
chase
cuy.
away the gloom.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ready for my showstopper?
An ally has slain legendary.
Perfect for the next act.
Offset Mia.
Stop
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Launch attack. Understood. Thank you.
3 lane, 3 lane.
Legendary.
Buset, Zaxnya ngamuk ya.
Legendary. Double kill.
Wah, ini OTW legend bener nih.
Victory.
Ayolah naik 2 lah. Biar cepat ini off langsung gua. Cepat kan bayar. Zax yang baru bagus nggak ya? Roaming udah, Midland belum ya? Ini apa sih emot ya? Widih. Healing turret. Kayak di game sebelah dong, kayak ini. Oh, ini fitur ya, fitur bermanfaat kali ya. Nah, dapat nih gumit nih.
Your team is banning. Your team is banning.
Apa nih, pakai apa nih? Gue pengen pakai Zax sih, enak deh Zax.
Your team is picking.
Aurora nggak bisa gua.
Kiss grants you immortality.
Bisa sih, cuma susah, skill susah gua. Skill 2 itu selalu nggak nge-freeze loh.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Muscle of iron.
Please
Bones of
pick a
steel.
hero.
Wah, Gatot ya. Gatot enakan. Gord gak sih? Gord, kita Gord.
Ready, go!
Zax juga enak sih. Zax aja deh gua.
Destroy.
Enemy is. I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
The Immortal One chose me to vanquish the
Your team
shadows
is
that
picking.
plague this world.
Duh, kalau cupu sorry dah ya.
Where is my target?
The enemy is picking.
Waduh, Tigreal guys.
shall stand fast to the very end.
Ini Insunsin kan? Gatot ya? Mirip kayak YSS dia skin. Let's go. Wah, lawannya bintang-bintang lagi nih guys. Nur 4352. Tadi juga ada bintang dia si tadi Mia juga ya. Bisa kayak gini cuek dia guys, jago nih guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
5 seconds till the enemy
Reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Stay focused when you
First blood!
Waduh, bencana ini guys.
either submit to me or get devoured by the swarm. My swarm has patience.
Initiate retreat!
Aurora and Tobias, I will come back for you.
Trut. Ya, kagak mati, nice. Nana udah 3-0 aja nih. Aduh,
Resistance is pointless. How about paying a visit to the swarm?
sabar guys.
Anything is edible if you are brave.
Udah nggak sih?
Creatures without antennae look bizarre. Adding more flavor to the waiting game.
understood.
Missing.
Eve's arrival won't change a thing about my plan.
Ini hero baru emang ngeselin banget sih, hero baru. Kagak mati bro. Astagfirullahaladzim. Susah nata ya itunya roamingnya.
How does it feel ending up on my plate?
Elis butuh inian kan, item dia. Lihat. Astaga, mati lagi. Kita udah kalah duit ya.
Initiate retreat.
Continue the beast. Yield of the arm. Resistance is pointless.
Slain an enemy.
Mati dia, nice.
Slain. Launch attack.
Stay focused when
Initiate retreat. You destroyed a
Lu bawahnya kalah lagi, pusing gua.
request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has slain an enemy. Launch attack.
patience.
Mid. Midnya.
Keep an eye on the map.
Wih, Nata ngapain diem Nata? Mid gua hancur bro. Astagfirullah.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed.
Nah Nata.
Calling.
Our triple kill. Request backup.
Kita ambil ini dah.
Adding more flavor.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Either submit to me or get devoured by the swarm.
Kalah mulu ya kan?
An enemy has been slain.
Night Parrot spawn.
Aduh sekarat dia.
Creatures without antennae look.
Push.
Mega kill. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Unstoppable.
Atas guys, atas guys. Gila mode serius ini.
I will come back.
Ya Allah, nggak tepat bro. Ya Allah, tahu aja dia, lu gue balik. Nggak apa-apa, dapat lord kita bro. Wih, lord lah. Ya elah.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Ya elah, gue kira bakal ngelord dia.
Eve's arrival won't change a thing about my plan.
Lord nggak sih?
Attack the Lord. Legendary. Attack the Lord. Legendary. Ally has been
How does it feel ending up on my plate?
Aduh, kebloon yang Kiki guys, yes, blown banget gue ya. Nggak kepencet lagi. Aduh, coy. Masih kejangkau ternyata loh.
Aurora and Tobias, I will
Tunggu gua.
Wait for me.
legendary. Attack the Lord. Legendary.
Habis bro, gue ikutan habis bro. Makan tuh maniak.
Destroy the turret.
continue the feast.
You destroy the turret.
Sakit bener bro, sumpah dah.
Launch attack.
Ini plus 2 kek, 2 bintang langsung, biar udahan gue langsung tuh. Tapi baru 50 menit ya. Belum ya? Aduh, belum guys. Yuk, 1 bintang lagi menuju legend. Setelah itu kita nggak live dulu, berarti libur live dulu sampai legend berapa ya? Legend 3 lah. Legend 3 atau legend 1 langsung ya, biar ke mythic.
Your team is banning. Please ban a hero. am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Bit 311 itu bukan yang tadi ya? Ini kenapa ya? Full hari ini Mia semua lu dapet lu. Entah musuh.
Rise, flames, rise!
Oh bukan.
Your team is picking.
Love and hope
少しで
are
も
the two
多くの
greatest
善人が
inventions.
平等を享受できるように。
Let's play together.
The enemy is picking.
Gaze upon the edge of the void. I see lots of prey.
Your team is picking.
Even the strongest of currents fail to claim me.
Semoga nggak suram ya. Biasanya kalau pengen naik-naik gini nih suram nih. Semua Mia. Semua ada di tangan Mia ya adik-adik.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
All troops deployed.
Semoga Mia-nya jago. Ya Allah, canggihnya canggih ituan bro.
It's my job to help people. Huh. Ha! Pico, pico.
First blood.
Doctor calls me a little angel, but I can't fly. Pico, pico. Stop staring at me.
Baru gue bilang kan Mia-nya.
Problems.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Stay cheerful every day.
Mia-nya dengan polosnya lu guys.
Keep on smiling. It's a chorus.
Dengan polosnya dia tertarik dengan recall loh. Aneh banget. Kagak ada mana gua.
Abracadabra. Keep smiling.
Kenapa ya orang-orang pada polos bet ya?
Pico, pico.
Ngapain balik AFK dia. Aduh, pusing guys. Emang kalau pengen naik ke tier apapun juga tetap aja guys.
Ult is ready. Papi, papi, launch attack.
Except cooking.
Request backup.
Ya. Mati dia. Aduh, 1 hit lagi. Udah nih, bobo kekalahan ini.
Stop
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Watch out for neck problems.
Mianya beli Malefic kan buat apa dia?
Keep on smiling. It's important. Ha!
Allahu Akbar Kiboy.
Oh, abracadabra. Keep smiling.
Kenapa ya orang-orang aneh-aneh banget guys? Gas terus. Ini belakang lu nih.
It's my job to help people.
Ya, gue tahu bro, gue ngeliatin map kok.
Launch attack.
Doctor called me his little angel, but I can't fly.
AFK dia. Emang cuy, Mia ini bermasalah cuy, Mia.
Calls me angel.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Papi, papi,
Gather us the turtle.
Nih lihat nih, Mianya di atas ngepush nih dia nih.
Attack. Gather us the turtle.
No retry dia.
You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat. Okay. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Stop
Gather up
staring
the
at
turtle.
me. Papi, papi,
Killing spree.
Kelas.
Gather up the turtle.
I can do all the chores. Except cooking.
Allahu Akbar Kiboy. Gas.
It's my job to help people.
Slain an enemy. Team destroyed. Retreat from the turtle.
Biarin recall biarin dia. Kita fokus aja guys.
Keep on smiling. Let's recall the turtle. An ally has slain the turtle. Happy Poppy Boom. Abracadabra. Keep smiling.
Anjay, balik lagi si bocah ini bro. Alamak, kan emang kenapa ya setiap gue masukin ke orang tuh pasti dia ngegas lagi gitu loh. Capek banget gue bro.
Kinky Kaka, the strings to my puppet got tangled up. Can you help me with that? Huh. Ha. Huh. Papi Papa. Pika Pika. Pika Pika. Launch attack. Double kill. Triple kill. Killing spree. Stay in a good mood every day. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. It's my job to help people. Team destroy the turret.
Oke, santai.
Papi Papi Boom. Initiate retreat. Abracadabra. Keep smiling. An enemy has been slain.
Lord gak sih?
Initiate
Kita udah pegang power kita nih ya, Angela.
Gather at the Lord. Gather at the Lord.
I can do all the chores.
Request backup.
Cooking. Stay in a good mood every day.
Attack the Lord.
Pika Pika. Pika Pika. The strings to my puppet got tangled up. Can you help
Mati dia, duar.
slain?
Culik bro, belakang bro. Come on Mia, let's go Mia. This is it Mia. Come on Mia. Ulti lah. Gelo. Kita lihat di sini Mia. Astagfirullahaladzim. Tenang. Kita lihat di sini Mia. Astagfirullah.
Unstoppable. Gather at the Lord.
Enggak ngelur dia.
Doctor calls me his little angel, but I can't fly.
Kita bikin event dulu satu. Habis itu holy kristal.
Gather at the Lord. Understood.
Pika Pika, keep on smiling. It's important.
Tuh Mia kayak gini tuh cuek guys. Ambil buff. Ngepush di atas. Wih, push. Terus. Terus jangan takut, bro. Buat gue dong. Mana ya buat gue? Nah.
Staring at me. Watch out for next problems.
Nah, nggak bisa ngedorong dia. Terusin. Mohon sabar ya, disiplin bro. Sabar kawan-kawan. Come on Mia, let's go Mia. Tunjukkan taringmu Mia. N gak sih N? Nice. Kan gue bilang Mia kayak gini cuek guys. Kan N. Nice.
Victory!
Akhirnya keluar dari badak. Langsung 2 bintang ya tadi ya. Banyak ini ya recall musuhnya. Oke, jadi mungkin udah cukup sampai di sini aja guys ya. Dikarenakan kita sudah mencapai legend. Pelan-pelan, sabar aja. Aulus. Ini ada season. Lah. Ini skin gue ada 60 ya, belum gue beli, nanti lah. Apa nih, cek nih. Oke, skip aja ya. Ini buat dapetin emote ya kalau nggak salah. Berarti hari ini kita main full win streak ya. Kelas berapa bintang ya? 5 kali. Oh, ini hero baru ya, si siapa? Soyu. Ya lo dapat. Kalian jangan lupa diambil ya, adik-adik. Ya udahlah, mungkin kita udah sampai legend, jadi cukup sampai di sini aja guys. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang udah nonton sampai habis ya. Terima kasih banyak juga buat kalian yang udah mampir ya. Tadi ada KBMRS petak panjang, terima kasih banyak ya. JJ. Oke, mungkin penutup kita inian ya, dadu. 300. Dua. Kalau trial mah percuma ya. Go. Apa sih? Ya udah penutupan sampai di sini aja, guys. Ini apa ya? Dapat apa sih ini? Nah, anniversary cake yang mana tuh? Oh, ini. Ini apa ya? Gift ya? Oh, gift.
If
Ya udahlah.
there's anything I can't resist,
Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya ya adik-adik.
cup of tea.
Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila ada salah-salah kata. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you buat kalian yang udah nonton sampai akhir. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.